This is a shirt folding activity. Our students are facing problem in shirt folding. That's why we small adaptation we did. We used the cardboard sheet and folded the shirt. Very simple way we started to fold the shirt. You can use local available market cardboard and cut the sheet in a proper angle and use it at home also. This is a very simple. They can make it very easily. Thank you.
Break Free Solutions brought to you by EI Labs and Project Discovery. Partnered by Enable India, Trinayani Sethi Foundation, Allergis Easy, CII Young Indians and Young Indians Accessibility.